Hello everyone, today we are making beef and mushroom stir fry. It's a simple home-style dish, but the flavors are really great. The beef is tender and savory, and the mushrooms bring a deep, rich aroma. Let's make it. For the beef, I'm using shaved beef steak, which is commonly used for stir fries, hot pot, or quick cooking. But you can use any cut of the beef as long as it's sliced thin. Then we marinate the beef with soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, a little bit black pepper, and baking soda. Add some cornstarch, followed by Shaoxing wine. Then add water and mix everything well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of oil and let it marinate briefly. While the beef is marinating, let's prepare the mushrooms. I'm using a mix of baby bella and white button mushrooms, but you can use either one or any mushrooms you like. Slice them into medium thick slices. Then prepare half an onion, slice it into strips, and gently separate the layers. Then cut 2 green onions into about 1.5 inch long pieces, and keep the white and green parts separate. With all the vegetables prepared, let's make the sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon water. Give it a good mix. Now we are ready to cook. Heat the pan over medium-high heat and add some oil. Then add the mushrooms. Spread them out in an even layer and season with a small pinch of salt and sugar. Stir fry as they cook. As the mushrooms cook and release their moisture, add a splash of Shaoxing wine. Give everything a quick stir to let the alcohol evaporate. Then remove the mushrooms from the pan. Heat the pan and add a little bit more oil. Then add the onion and the white parts of the green onions. Stir fry for about 1 minute, just till fragrant. Now it's time to cook the beef. Add some oil to the pan. Then add the beef. Because the slices are long and thin, they may stick together at first. So spread the beef out as much as you can. Then use your spatula or chopsticks to gently break it apart. Keep stir frying till the beef is evenly separated and just cook through. Once the beef has changed color, add the stir-fry sauce and toss everything together till well combined. Then add the cooked mushrooms and onions, mix everything together. Then turn off the heat and add the green onions. Give it a final toss and it's ready to serve. This beef and mushroom stir fry is simple, reliable, and full of flavor. The beef stays tender and the mushrooms add a deep savory richness. And everything comes together quickly without complicated steps. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.